Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and in-depth insights into the latest gadgets and gear. Today, we're diving into the world of digital cameras, and I've got something special to share with you. Introducing the VJIANGER 4K vlogging camera, a powerhouse packed with features that's revolutionizing the way we capture memories. If you're into occasional photography or looking to up your vlogging game, this might just be the perfect fit for you. Let me break it down for you. This camera boasts an impressive 4K resolution and a whopping 64 megapixels, ensuring every shot you take is crisp, clear, and bursting with detail. Whether you're snapping photos or shooting videos, the VJIANGER delivers stunning results every time. But wait, there's more. One of the standout features of this camera is its versatility. Not only is it great for photography, but it also doubles up as a high-quality webcam. Simply connect it to your PC via the included Type-C cable, and you're ready to go live in stunning 4K resolution. And let's talk about connectivity. With built-in Wi-Fi, you can instantly transfer your photos and videos to your smartphone, making it easier than ever to share your favorite moments with friends and family. Plus, with the included 32GB SD card and camera bag, you'll have everything you need to get started right out of the box. Now, I know what you're thinking. All these features sound great, but is it easy to use? Absolutely. The VJIANGER is designed with beginners in mind, featuring a user-friendly interface and intuitive controls. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, you'll feel right at home behind the lens of this camera. Of course, no product is perfect, and it's important to mention that some users have reported occasional issues with the camera freezing or focusing. However, these seem to be isolated incidents, and overall, the feedback has been overwhelmingly positive. So there you have it, folks. The VJIANGER 4K vlogging camera, the best choice for occasional photography and vlogging. With its stunning 4K resolution, versatile features, and beginner-friendly design, it's no wonder why this camera is making waves in the industry. If you're ready to take your photography to the next level, look no further than the VJIANGER. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews like this one. Until next time, happy shooting!